Are you tired of constantly switching between different apps and platforms just to collaborate with your team members? Well, Microsoft Teams has got your back. In this video, we'll show you how to create a shared channel in Microsoft Teams. First, let's clarify, what is a shared channel? It's a feature in Microsoft Teams where you can work together with people both inside and outside of your team or organization. This is perfect for collaborating with vendors, contractors, or partners without having to create a completely new team. Firstly, you'll need to be a team owner to create a shared channel. Next, go to the team you want to create the shared channel and tap on the three dots coming on the right side of your team's group. Click on Add Channel. Now, enter a name and description for your channel. The next step is crucial. Under Privacy, select the down arrow on the right, and then select Shared. People you choose from your organization or other organizations have access. This gives you control over who can access the channel and makes sure that you're not oversharing sensitive information. Once you've chosen this option, select Create. Type in the names of the people in your organization you want to invite to the channel. If you want people outside your organization to participate, you can type in their email addresses. Then select Share. It's important to note that members from outside your organization can only join as members, not as owners. To change members to owners, select the down arrow beside their name, choose Owner, and then select Done. Congratulations, you've just created a shared channel. But what about collaboration? Let's make it more efficient by scheduling a meeting through your shared channel. You can schedule a meeting by clicking on the Schedule a Meeting option. Add in your meeting details and it will post the meeting link into the chat. You can also upload files to ensure everyone has the same information and can view, share, and edit the document together. Or even try adding an app as a tab to collaborate without leaving Teams. For example, you can add a PowerPoint or Word document as a tab to edit the document together, or try an app for brainstorming. With shared channels, you can effortlessly connect and collaborate on a project together with only the people you want to, without oversharing or creating a new team. But what if you're looking to migrate your data to Microsoft Teams? That's where the Kernel Microsoft Teams migration tool comes in handy. With our tool, you can easily move all your data to Microsoft Teams without losing any information. We hope you found our tutorial helpful. Also visit our YouTube channel. You will find many helpful videos. Press the subscribe button as well bell icon, so you will never miss any new video uploaded. You can also take advantage of our 24/7 customer support to get you through the whole process without a hitch. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.